In this video, I will show you how to screenshot in incognito mode. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Incognito mode is a great way to browse the web privately. But one thing you can do in incognito mode is take a screenshot. This is because screenshots can be used to track your browsing activity, even in incognito mode. If you need to take a screenshot in incognito mode, there are few ways to do it. Let's go ahead and open Chrome. In the URL box, type chrome://flags. Then you will get into this page. Search in here for incognito. From the results, look for incognito screenshot. Now from default, change it to enabled. After that, click relaunch for the changes to take effect. Let's open now on incognito tab. Take a screenshot, then that's it. You'll be able to take a screenshot now in incognito mode. I hope this video helps. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.